friends, in this video we are going to learn how to upload products in Google My Business profile. I hope you have created Google My Business profile. So you just need to search for your business name or My Business on Google search engine using the same Gmail account from which you have created your Google My Business profile. If you have not created your Google My Business profile or you have not claimed your existing Google My Business profile created by somebody else, then kindly visit our YouTube channel and check out the Google My Business tutorial playlist, and you will come to know how to create or claim your Google My Business listing, right? As you can see, here is my Google My Business profile, and here we are getting an option of edit products. You just need to click on this for uploading a new product, right? You can answer the questions about your shop, or you can add products by one without a standard barcode. So I'm going to select this and click on continue, and here we can click on add product to add new product. And as you can see, I have uploaded some of the products and they are showing on Google My Business profile. And now I will click on add product. Here I can enter the product name, whatever the product name you have. For example, if you are running a cake shop, then you can simply enter the butterscotch cake. Okay, and here in the category you can create a new category, right? So like for creating a new category, I will select the create a new category, and here birthday cakes, we can create a new category, and here we can enter the product price. And again, it's optional, it is not mandatory to fill. If you don't want to showcase your product prices or your product prices are dynamic, it keeps changing, then I would suggest you to not update. Else if you will forget to update the price, then might be a customer can conflict with you particular for that particular product because of wrong price updated. So I would not suggest you to enter the price over here. You can also enter the product discounted price, right? And you can enter the product description over here. Make sure to create a good description for your product, including those keywords for which you want your Google My Business profile to rank higher in search engine results or Google Maps, right? So include those keywords that your users searches for, right? So for that you can use Google Keyword Planner, right? It is a tool for keyword research. And here you can enter the product landing page URL if you have a website of your business and you have already listed products over there. And then you can just simply add the product link of that particular web page of your website where you have already uploaded your product, and so that if user clicks on this, then automatically it would redirect user to your website on the product page, and from there they can add to cart and can make the purchase, right? And if this product is special, then you can mark it as special, and you can simply add the product photo over here, and you can click on publish, and your product will go live soon. But before that, it will go under pending phase. Google will verify whether you have updated the correct product with correct photograph and is not offensive, so and is relatable to your business category. Then only Google will approve that particular product to be displayed publicly, right? So this is how you can upload or add product in your Google My Business profile. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.